remember all these lights before, do you? Come on, Betsy. All right, so we're back with our BMW. We got it running last time, we got it home. Now it's time to see if we can get this thing moving, particularly moving out of my garage. So I was told that the clutch might be out of it. After a little more diagnosing, I don't think it was the clutch. The pedal only about had half a pedal. So, and this is a hydraulic clutch, there's no adjustments on a cable or anything. Either the slave cylinder was bad or the master cylinder was bad. We ended up ordering both of them, and that's what we're replacing right now. No more messing around. We're gonna get this thing running. Over here on the bench. So we're gonna put these two puppies in there, bleed the system out, and then see if we can get this thing moving. So that is the plan. The master cylinder is actually up underneath this clutch pedal, if you've ever seen any sort of craziness like this. So the master cylinder is right up there underneath that clutch pedal. Hopefully it's not too bad to change. We're about to find out. And then obviously the slave cylinder is down there next to the transmission, so that'll be next. All right, let's get to it, see if we can get this thing moving. All right, so we're under here. This is where that slave cylinder is. We're gonna change this one. But looking at all of its glory down here, it's kind of hard to tell on the phone. But I don't think the drive shaft's supposed to be like that. That carrier bearing is completely gone. That's gonna have to be addressed. We have affectionately named the car Matthew for a few reasons. Mainly for the obvious condition of the car and the way the car has been treated and, well, modified.
So to get in the accurate position, you want to be upside down, head by the pedals.
Germans, dude.
Was it good and tight?
It's about to be. Good and terrible.
Good and screwed.
So we've got the slave cylinder in. We're tightening up the bolts on the master cylinder right now. Then we're gonna bleed it. Oh, I mean, if your knuckles don't look like that, are you really even doing anything? Anyway, we're gonna bleed this system, see if this clutch works. So we got the new master cylinder in, but she's like a beluga whale, just spraying out oil. So let this be a lesson learned. I've learned this lesson before, but when he asked me, he's like, Dad, should I order this part? It's like 12 bucks for this master cylinder. I was like, yeah, send it, you know, like 12 bucks, awesome for, you know, what's going on with a free car. It's junk, so don't buy cheap parts. Let's see if we can get this on video. Oh, yeah. That thing. I mean, you can pretty much throw the pedal to the ground. It won't even let you bleed the system because it just oozes oil out. Awesome. Then, check this out. Look at this carrier bearing. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. That's awesome. You telling me he was driving it like this?
Apparently.
It is completely gone.
It's even scraped up back here too.
That is amazing. I've never seen one this bad. I mean, how can you drive that and like let up the clutch, and if you feel that and you go, oh, something is terribly wrong, and then just be like, okay, well, I'll just keep driving it.
Oh, Matthew.
Yeah. Oh, Matthew. Well, the plan was in this video to have this thing on the road, but given the fact that we have now got a bad part, we got a bad master cylinder, and our carrier bearing is completely wasted, which I did not notice last time I was in the car, which you guys, once we get those parts, hopefully that will be it. So these parts, a little more pricey. We're not gonna go the cheap way on these two, because that master cylinder, That thing sucked to put in. I am still like all cramped up from putting that thing in there. So anyway guys, stay tuned. We got more coming. And we'll go have some fun. All right guys, thanks for watching.